He's still here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go to accounts. Move on to yours. See. You want to see?
Just me. And my son. Hi, Blue. Hi, honey. My baby.
Shikari!
My little baby. I'm gonna miss you. You're so sweet. We gotta give you a bath tomorrow before we go up north. Just put his feet in, you know, and get him wet with like our hands or something. Yeah. You're my little baby. Oh, he's so sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh, my little baby. Gavin's got our little baby. He's holding Blue. Oh, and he likes him. Little Blue likes Gavin. Oh, look at him. He's looking. Oh, he's so cute. Hi, baby. Hi, little baby. Are you thirsty? Want some water, honey? Look at how precious he is. My little baby Blue. Look at him. Look at him scoot around. He's so freaking little. Here's my hand in comparison. Oh, little baby. Somebody's shoe. Ooh. And we got Blue sitting up here. Pretty, pretty. Yeah, baby. That's in the vlog.
I can't drive right.
This is so pretty. It's prettier in person because the colors are better and we need a car wash. But it's still really, really, really pretty. And Blue just does not care. I tried showing him and he doesn't care. So here's our boat with a boat on it. You can see. This is our private lake. We call it Bitch Point 69. With some lemon ginger kombucha. Going up to our boat on our private dock. Here it is. Oh, I just tripped.
Nice.
There's our boat. So it smells like a dead body out here, but we found this cute bridge in this cute little forest on this cute little trail. And that's where it ends. And it's like water. Ugh, smells like a dead body. Ew. Here's the dead body that we smell. It's a fish that was half eaten or something. Looks fresh still. It doesn't look rotten or anything. But cook. Will I get demonetized if I say put your hand on his cock?
Oh my gosh, maybe.
I don't know, we'll see. And we got baby Blue right here. Baby Blue. It's nap time when we get back to Gavin's sister's house, which we're almost there, so. So my son isn't doing too well. I hope he's gonna be okay, and I hope he's just tired, because he didn't sleep today.
Fair enough.
You can disagree.
I agree.
Oh. What a cutie. This is rare. That's so cute. On people's fingers now, which is good. We just found out what he is. He's a cedar wax wing. So cute.
It's for Blue, and we gave him 2 pieces, and he really likes them. But like these worms, like I can't touch them because I just like scream. And Gavin just put on a glove because he can't touch them either.
Because you're screaming so much.
Because man, they just be wiggling around, and it scares me. Ew! Quit holding it like a snake. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna. Get it.
Stop.
Blue's hungry. You better quit before I put him on the edge up here. Quit playing with
You
it.
can't record this. It looks like.
Look at my sweet boy. He's just sitting on my finger. So cute. He loves me. So it's just me and my Blue. And then we've got the lake. It's really nice and cute. We're just hanging out. He ate some worms because now we're not giving him dog food anymore. We're giving him worms and still water out of the syringe. But I want to try to put stuff in bowls because I have to work starting Friday. And today is Wednesday. So, and I've got to work 9 to 5. So I hope he learns how to eat out of bowls in between me going to work and me not having to work. Hopefully he can do it. So Blue is doing very well. His feet are being very good. His right foot was really crooked, but I've been letting him stand on my fingers and they've been getting better. So that's awesome. So he's a cedar wax wing. We found that out today. Hi. And yeah, he's doing really, really well. Baby's feet are doing good. Look at him, looking straight. He's doing good. He's turning around. This little feather, I think, just needs to be shed so he can grow his big boy feathers. So we woke up and I guess it rained and it looks cold and windy. I'm tired. Going on the bridge. Water levels are super high. It's like Travers. He knows how to drink out of this cap now. Look at him. So now, no more syringe for him. Now he gets this. That's mommy's good boy. So, 3rd time filming this because people don't know how to shut that mouth up. Blue is chilling on the cooler now. He learned how to drink out of this cap, I think last night. He still has to learn how to like eat on his own because I went back to work.
All right, we gotta go.
The goose likes Gavin now.
Took a while.
Well, he likes me.
I got him a little Lunchable thing to sit in. He's been eating raspberries and blueberries and dog food. And we're at the farmer's market. I gotta show you guys the pretty flowers that we passed. Got some yummy apples and corn and some more pretty flowers. I love the sunflowers. This little setup is so cute. So, we just ordered Blue a cage today. It comes in 6 days, so I'll let you guys know when we have it. And I'll show you. Say hi, baby. He's getting really big. See, that's one baby feather left. These are his adult feathers, his tail feathers. He's getting big. He's mommy's little baby. Oh, he's hungry. Come on.
All done, honey? Come here. Yeah, mommy's baby. That's mommy's nail polish. So we got Blue posted up on mommy. His foot is slipping. What are you doing? Okay. He's eating strawberries. He likes them now, but he won't eat them on his own. His tail feathers are also getting really big, which is exciting. He's so cute, guys. We're just nursing him back to health, and then we're gonna set him free. Baby. You looking at Daddy? Yeah? Where you going, Blue?
Maybe I'll get some of your shirts too.
Good boy. Give mommy kisses. Give mommy kisses. Good boy. Are you playing, buddy? Oh, your little nails and your beak hurt. He's outside, and he loves the sun. He has blackberries and raspberries on his belly. He's plucking his feathers, so I got him some medicine for that. And that's why we've been bringing him outside now, just so he knows what outside is like again. And look at him, he's so cute. Get at it.
Now you used to want one.
Yep. Oh. Skate sesh. Can you get a napkin, please?
You let me fall
Thanks.
slide?
He jumped.
Not my
Skate sesh.
Gavin, you know how?
I did in 8th grade.
Nah, you know how, right?
Kinda.
Let's see you.
It's like this. I don't know how you did this.
Yeah, the wheels are stuck.
Update. They didn't answer their phone, so we're gonna have to try it another day. So probably Saturday. So last few days with Bluebird. I'm so sad.
It's a bath.
So yesterday, Blue hurt his leg, so today we're bringing him to a wildlife hospital. We're gonna see if they can fix him. This might be the last clip that we get of baby Blue. Bluebird.